It's day 14 of the 100-day project, and on my list today is a cat portrait drawn with Prismacolor colored pencils. Let's dive right in and start with the eyes. After applying the lightest blue for the base layer, it's time to choose between these three blues: True Blue, Electric Blue, and Cerulean Blue. These colors are not as they appear to be, so it's best to try them out on a piece of paper. See? What I thought was the darkest color was actually the lightest, so I'm going to go with True Blue. You can, of course, layer different blues for a unique one. Drawing from life or from a photo makes you more observant of detail. Take this cat's eye, for example. It actually has one blue and one green eye. To define the eye, I like to use any dark shade or black. It's just like applying eyeliner. For the nose, I use layers of peaches and pinks, and then define the nostrils with a darker shade or black if needed. This cat's ears match the color of its nose, so I use the same set of colors here as well. If you apply light layers of color, it's easy to erase and reveal highlights. To blend the colors, I use a soft facial tissue. The friction of rubbing creates heat and blends the colors seamlessly. To take this drawing to another level, I'm going to add one of my favorite colors to the background using a combination of these two colored pencils. If you wanted, you could add hints of pink or purple to this aqua background near the ears and blend it with a tissue to create a prismatic background. Possibilities are endless, and it's a lot more fun when you add your own flair to it. So have fun coloring! If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for new videos every week.